Wait. Welcome back to part 2, y'all.
Trying to get the stick.
We're the fucking stupidest people in the world. It's New Year's Day. It didn't make it in there, you shit.
Exactly, I was trying to knock it in.
Let's do like a Blair Witch video.
Okay, hopefully this will go in this time. Oh my god!
Now, some of y'all that may have noticed or may not have noticed, the top was broken off it. I did that with a butter knife. Show you later. When I have another beer bottle.
Damn it! Fell in.
Hey, you fuck shit. Do it right.
Fill up full of snow or something.
Get like the snow shovel or something. I'm wearing Converse. Low cut.
There, does that work?
Maybe.
No! You fucking shit ass. Here.
Is that a long one?
Yes.
No, it's not.
It's this long.
Where's the other green one? I know that's
Last night. Should have been there. Here, I guess.
we blew the shit out of everything. That's what we did.
Look, this is just a portion of the yard.
Oh.
This is like the front yard.
Backyard.
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 That's a backpack.
That's the backpack.
Backpack, it's like Jack Jack.
It's 1 acre.
Jack attack.
Look, we sisters.
I should light one
There you
and
go.
throw it.
I spit on you. Did it land on me? You fuckface. Would you come on, you piece, you pussy?
I can't find the green one.
Here.
Oh, I'm just gonna like, I don't know, shit.
Holy fucking.
That was awesome. You ready? I'm gonna let no one throw it in there. Oh shit. I dropped it.
Here, light this one. What's wrong with it?
Nothing.
So can I give it to Jarrett to light?
Yeah, because Kelly wants me to blow my goddamn hand out.
I do too, that'd be
I
funny.
got crackle balls.
Oh my god, we should put one in there.
Oh shit!
Sorry, I don't think I got that.
That's all that's left!
That's the end of our pretty little bottle.
Wait, no wait, oh there's a firecracker in there, they're still good.
Ouch.
Okay, come on, Cal.
Can't get it.
Do you want to use my lighter? I took the safety off it.
Yeah.
Come on everyone.
Oh my god, you fucking shit dumbass. I don't know why I called you a shit dumbass, but we've done stupider shit. Okay, here, hon. Right here.
Get all wet.
Camera guy's following you.
Won't wait.
What light?
Oh.
Let's follow it. Hey, you shit dumbass.
I walked like right over it.
I
take on death.
Oh yeah, I have another one.
Let me light that one and throw it.
Throw it
somewhere.
at Drew.
What?
Throw it at Drew. That's Drew,
Drew's a
y'all.
dumbass dog that scared fireworks.
We're not that mean to animals, y'all. We're just fucking
How
dumbass
you
people.
missed?
Yeah, you missed. Real close and personal.
We just like being mean to Drew because he's a retard.
He is a retard.
I swear to God, his face was kicked in sometime.
Oh,
Hey, just because I
got
did
more
it.
than
One
that.
time Drew was so scared of fireworks, he ate the fountain.
I know, right?
I got more.
Hey, no, let me light that one and throw it in the air.
No, I want to.
Okay, we'll throw it in the air.
What the heck?
Wait, what is it, a ground bloom flower? We should make a box.
Sorry,
It's
scared
gonna kill
me.
someone. What is that?
That's the first time I've... Okay, maybe not.
I think that's what you put in the
Light
fountain.
anyone? I don't know if y'all can see the fire or not, but
Okay, here we go. Ready?
it's not there anymore. Throw that one up in the air, Cal.
I don't think
Oh
that's
shit, there's
it.
some flies in the air!
Where'd it go?
There's some fucking flies in the air. Whee! No, it didn't light, hon.
You love
It
scaring
was
each other
lit.
like that.
It was.
Oh, you chicken shit.
Jared, you're the pussy that told me to move back
Run!
last night when we put the artillery shelling upside down. Here, give me the lighter, I'll do it.
Wait, it's still smoking.
The hell it
It's
is.
not lit. Ah, it's lit.
Holy
It's long enough to go off.
I fucking know it.
Where is it?
Let me light one. Let me light one, fuck. Fuck.
You took.
See this little can? man.
Wait, Jarrett, wait. Yeah.
500 underneath.
Here, wait. Hold this. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Okay, you
What are
following
you
the
doing?
camera, girl?
What do you? Don't do that. You should have told me what you're doing first. That was awesome.
Yeah, here's the lighter. God, it hit me in the head. You bastard.
Oh, shit. Even light.
You bitch. Wait, let me get it. Wait, oh, this is a sizzly thing that spins and goes up in the air, right?
Light already!
Reading.
Shut up, Callie.
Parading goats are parading. Oh, shit. See, the problem is you're using a punk and you're not using a lighter. Like a Zippo? Or Zippo?
Shut up, you guys didn't light it like 3 times in a row.
Here, where's the fucking... Callie, you dumb bimbo. You have my lighter, don't you? Give me my lighter.
See?
Holy shit!
That was some nice warning.
You fucking came right at my head. My bald on the top. Okay, listen. You motherfucking bitch.
It was fun. Callie just threw something.
You do. Never do that again.
That was your problem, Callie.
Oh my god, it has a really short fuse.
Who was lighted?
That's just like your dad. Big man, short fuse. Wow!
Come on, this one.
I'm gonna light it.
Sure you are.
Blow up in his face. Blow up in his face.
I can't light it. Stop throwing them. That's what put it somewhere else.
Fine, I'll set it down.
I did it! Fine!
What is their problem?
I need a cigarette,
They
y'all.
like scared the shit out of us.
Jerk.
See, Callie sucks at lighting stuff. See, Angie, chicken's out too fast.
Oh, Jarrett, shut the fuck up, you little pussy.
Whatever.
It's not my fault. I haven't had a cigarette in hours.
Oh, it keeps going out.
Ah, get out of the way. Let Trevor do it.
Nope! It ain't gonna let us do that.
It went out again, honey.
Nope,
Oh,
still
there it
Nope,
goes.
it's still going.
God, that takes a long time.
Don't go near it, it's gonna go off.
Again. Kelly, you might not have the best lighter. Give me my lighter. Give me my lighter. It's my fucking lighter.
They found.
Ah!
That was awesome! Let's go. How long have we got?
It went like way over there. We got 2 more minutes.
Minutes? Oh, here we go.
Oh my god, you fucking dumb shit.
That is so much fun.
I'm gonna shove one of those so far up your ass.
Wait, that's a great one.
Put it in the noodle. Put it in the noodle.
I don't want it in the middle. Yeah, there we go. Oh, wait.
Yeah, that's mine. Let's put it in the noodle, Jarrett.
Noodle!
Noodle!
Put it in the stupid noodle. You like blowing stuff up. Oh, shit.
We blow shit up in this noodle like all the fucking time. Look, all this from last night, all them holes.
I'm gonna put this with it. Hold on.
Hurry up. That's not gonna light.
That thing was like going a little slow. Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, is the other one lit?
No, I told you it wasn't gonna light.
I'd really tell after you light it. See, Drew doesn't like fireworks.
It's because she's a fucking dumbass. Let's go in the house and get more.
Dude, we have more on the ground.
I'm tired of firecrackers. They're boring. How many y'all with me? Firecrackers are kind of boring, right?
We don't have any more airlines. We lit them off all
No,
over.
we still have one more that we were gonna do without a tube. We'll film that one for you, definitely.
Oh yeah, be back.
Oh well. Parading goats are parading.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Aiden.
Hi. No, I wasn't just copying you. I was saying hi to everyone. Okay, and we're at 10:02.